Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you all know, this is Petra's Farm. I am young man to Sepolo. Now today we want to show you how far we've gone with the preparation of our pen 3 as we await the arrival of the pioneer bird from pen 3. Now you should know this is a 20,000 capacity pen. Now, so far you can see we've installed our cages for the industrial fans. We've installed our industrial fans left for the 3 which the engineer is here to install. Now you can see the engineer there working on the lighting system. We're using LED light because we know the importance of lighting in layer production as it will help to maximize production. So that we can be able to give them 16 hours light, whether there is natural light or not. Now we have to show you so many things that we've done and what we've not done, but you know us that we like numbering ourselves because it helps us to tell whatever thing that is happening in a particular cell, and even whether the vet is around or is not around, we can tell them that a particular cell that the birds are not healthy or a particular thing that he needs to know. So we are here to number our cells. If you look at it, our water lines are already being put in. We have our tank stands here, and our tanks are here, but they are yet to be replaced on the tank stands. Then we are here to floor this particular part of the pen. Since yes, work, like you know, work is still going on. Then if you look at our ceiling too, we've not installed that, and you know why we are installing our ceiling to prevent what? To prevent direct heat or heat rays coming from the roof. The engineer is also working on the heat extractor machine. You can see them, the heat extractor turbines. They are there, which are yet to be installed over the roof. Yeah, that's a sample there. Yes, just one has been put in place. Now we'll be having over 8 of these, both by the right and by the left. It's what an heat extractor fan. It is being controlled by the wind. It's like a wind turbine. So it helps us to control the temperature of this pen, because we know how the temperature can be during the autumn season from January to March when birds come down with heat stroke. Now we can see below the whole place is still dirty. We are here to clean. Our sawdust is not yet there. Our sawdust is not yet there. Our charcoal. So you can see we have not done any cleaning since the construction is still ongoing, but we plan on working on this fully, because I don't know when the engineer did it, they did it at this point. So imagine if someone wants to enter the pen, it is quite impossible for the person to walk down here, dip his food before entering. The person would want to just easily bypass the food dip. So we have to break this and fix the foot dip, start running from this all the way from here to this point. So no matter what you do, you must pass through what the foot dip. Okay.
That is very one.
Yeah. Indeed.
Yeah. So how ready are you to receive the best?
We are 100% ready. As you can see, the whole thing is in place. We have our our industrial farms, the feeders, the drinking lines. We are already done with numbering the cages. Our feeders are there. The pen is ready. The extractor blends. Because for now we have an extractor machine being controlled by controlled by the wind. So these are the vents. So as a better hot air that escape from the pen, so that we can easily have a conducive environment for the birds. So everything.
The water lines.
The water lines are set. We've tested the leakages, the nipples, we've tested them, they're all working.
Yeah, I can see.
So yes, you can see the program. They're all ready.
So all the nipples are working.
Yeah, the nipples are working.
It.
Yes. Even the pits, we're done with spreading the sawdust to 10 centimeter depth. So the charcoals, we're ready to receive our birds.
Have you tested the light?
Yes, we are. They are working. Everything is ready. We're just waiting for our birds. Like we say, 5-star hotel. We are ready to receive. Yes, we're ready to receive. We're done disinfecting, fumigation. We're ready to receive our birds.
Alright, so how are you feeling to receive about 600 birds?
I'm quite excited, but I think that we are all waiting. Like the almighty event has already started. So to us, we are moving through our birds. We just need to see them physically. Yes. We are out of class.
So, yeah, officially we thank you respect the manager, farm manager, and farm assistant, as I can see. So, you can take us around. Let's see other parts of the country.
My manager, I hope people are impressed with the pet.
The whole place is very beautiful.
Okay, so that's it for poultry preparation. Like we said, things are still ongoing because we are even yet to bind these wires together so as to prevent any rodent or external creatures from entering. So like we said, we are still preparing. I will keep letting you guys know as things unfold. Remember, we said it is the biggest pen so far in Petrus Farm, and bigger pen, since it is the biggest, it means more birds will be here. Like I said, 20,000 capacity. So it will require what? More. It means more responsibilities, and we are up to the task. Remember, we are Petrus Farm. We give nothing but the best. Thank you. We are a farm that is what's not just concerned about production, but about the growth of lives, families, and communities. So see you next time.